If we go broke, stay away.
Soldier boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy.
What's up, vlog? This is the start of the Houston trip. It's a girls trip, about to be Houston hotties. Very excited. It's like 6:30 in the morning. I'm about to head to the airport. This is my airport fit. I'm very proud of it. Got this True Religion jacket on. It's like a little crop True jacket. And then of course I have my Skims on. I don't know what color this is. I feel like I should have got a medium in these. Let me know down below, because this, it gives a little tight. It's a little tight, but it's still very, very cute. It still fits me. I did get in a small. And then I just have my Yeezys on, and then some socks with my necklace and my bracelets. And then I'm gonna put my Pandora bracelet on. I'm gonna have my mom help me with that though, but I think I look really, 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 really good. I just wish I kind of got a medium, and I just ordered some more Skims and I got a small, but it's a dress, so I feel like it'll fit better. But yeah, so I will probably talk to y'all either once I get in the car or once I get to the airport. My flight leaves at 8:30 and I said it's like 6:30, so I need to get going. Yeah, let's pray that my bag is not overweight, because I only brought one. Originally I was gonna bring two, but I feel like that was kind of, I didn't need to. Everything fit in one, but it might be overweight. So here's my Pandora bracelet. I recently got some more charms on it, so I want to wear it. Oh yeah, my mom's waiting on me. We made it to the B&B. Hey. Tour, house tour. Okay, so this is the door, and then we walk in. It's a blank closet. Then she has some nice decor. What is this? Oh, she has an Xfinity. What's that? For the TV? That's the Wi-Fi. Oh, and then she has drawers. Another door. Oh, that one's locked. Scary. And then here's me in his room. Cute. Oh, we have a little TV. This is the bed. Nice little wall art. And then here's our bathroom. Big tub. Here's me. And then a huge closet. That's nice. The closet is nice. The bathtub room. Nice couches. We have a balcony. The table. The kitchen. The second bathroom. Say hi, Nadia. Hey. And then Nadia in Amaya's room. And very cute. Let's see their closet. And they have a big closet as well. So that's the end of the room tour.
Did you show the balcony?
No, I didn't. Let's show the balcony. So this is the balcony. Oh, it's hot. Oh, look, we have the view of the pool. Very cute.
Hey, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me or see me. Hey, y'all.
You need a proper intro. They missed you from the last St. Thomas vlog.
It's your girls Maya.
Per.
Again, scratching my feet.
Per. This is going to be a movie. And I got my braids done, and she didn't cancel on me. Yeah.
So today we just got to the Airbnb, blah blah, whatever. Now I think we're gonna chill for like maybe an hour or something, for 30 minutes. I'm gonna get some like groceries. I'm gonna pick up Amaya, and then we can have seafood. And then we're gonna come back, shower, blah blah blah, and make drinks for the night. Yeah, luxury.
Yeah.
Black girl luxury. Missing the seafood bowl seasoning in my stomach. Double guts. All night. I brought like. You did? Share. Yeah, we're gonna have to get another pack of those. I was actually gonna take some from my mom's house, but I forgot.
I got my wallet. I got the key.
Hey y'all. So we trying to figure this out right now, but it's just not. It's not working. It's not figuring out. Oh, it's hot. It's so hot. Like you can't be serious. Yeah, I'm going to the car, babe. The girlies is outside. They're about to take over Houston. What do you call that thing that they be putting up here?
Caramel.
Yeah, we should have got one of those.
It's fine. We're almost finished in Wally Brook. Hey guys, we're currently sitting in the car because it's raining. You can put it up there.
Hey vlog. So Houston weather is crazy and we're stuck in the car. Look at this. Hello? So we're, oh.
And Amaya's flight got delayed because of the storm.
Hey girl. Are you okay? I'm gonna feed the keys.
Alright y'all, we're finally back after being drenched. So my name is Mckinlee and I think, hold on, I think Nadia is going to be the...
Hey vlog, I'm Nadia and I think Mckinlee.
Hey y'all. So now we like getting crazy on the camera. I think McKinley's gonna be because she don't she can't tolerate. So girl, if you can't tolerate and all the other heavy lifting will be down in, come on. Nadia not like she be stopping when it's time to stop. Amaya, I don't know. Between Amaya and McKinley, I'm gonna say McKinley. McKinley gonna be. Forgot to pick up. It's giving black girl luxury. What kind of? Oh, I thought you want juice. I don't, but if we don't get the juice. You want my juice?
I'm a shiver though.
You want my juice?
Me, myself, and I think we should go get seafood boil while we go out. That's what she said. That wasn't me. That was her. That was her. Amaya's off the plane. Amaya's not even on the plane no more.
Amaya's in Las Vegas. Yo,
right here.
You don't want to snow crab leg?
Hungry.
I'm full. From what?
We not.
I was giving her crab legs.
We not. Take it to go. It do though. That's just Zanea. Zanea gonna say it don't feel like nothing because it's Zanea.
I'm talking about me, ho. I tooted.
I heard it. Fresh.
Do you have a big black puffer jacket either?
They can't even see the head.
Hey y'all. Girl, I ain't got no fucking eyebrows. Y'all look crazy.
Kim K. Don't be.
No, she's tweaking. She's sticking out.
The audience,
Why are you calling me when you didn't pay for none of them? What you doing on my phone? What's the point?
Decline.
if you're traveling soon, this bag is linked in my Amazon storefront. No, I don't have an Amazon storefront. Very convenient, very compact. You can fit in a carry-on, a checked bag.
Cheers.
This is how it unfolds. And there's a hook.
Not focusing.
Girl,
I'm sorry.
and there's a hook
You just
for the shower.
Sure, why is it not focusing?
Right. You got your toiletries, you got your makeup, and it all is compact, and I love it. And your African net.
Get you on, Dusty Ho. I know
Wash
you
your
got
back.
jet skin on you.
Wash your back.
I love you. I'm just playing.
This is the dance.
Do it back. I'm for real.
I'm just karma.
We are on our way to, where are we going? Juicy Crab or LA Fit? Why was I about to say LA?
Which one is closer to Amaya?
LA Fitness. Baby, why is it so bright? Baby, nice to meet you. My foot got stuck. That is true. Trim on. Oh, it looks so beautiful in here. Look.
It does look nice. Oh my god, put that in your what's that called? What's that thing? Wow. Girl, get out of my face. No, what's the thing?
Okay, first.
In the front of the video. What is it called? Thumbnail. Yeah, put that in your thumbnail.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you for having my back.
I feel like a boogie with my hoodie on. Okay, a boogie number 2. Isn't it real hoodie at?
I ain't bring one, and that's unlikely.
Hey, Boogie with the hoodie. If we go broke, stay away. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wait, can you
Call me Bella.
Ella?
Ella May? She said Ella May. She said Ella May.
Ella May.
She said Ella May.
You know how classical sound?
Oh yeah, what how it
Ella,
goes?
I'm back to
The bands though. I don't trust. DTN, I don't trust.
What you say? Hey, Boogie, you don't even understand though. I can really get grimy.
Bands though.
And in the crib,
Like what, this damn hoe.
every New York City girl, you gotta know that. Come on.
Okay. Cause I gotta.
Wait. Put this in the bag.
It's wet.
They're both far from the airport. We came from George Bush.
I started making stuff.
Kyle, what you try to get? Tell me now. I will feel the need to throw up. I love shrimp, and that's why I don't be getting shrimp no more. I love it.
They just be having too many. I'd rather have more crab than shrimp, but they just put so many in it. New York, it'd be 30 for just one cluster of crab legs. Like,
We're at the Juicy Crab.
yeah.
I got a pound of what I get?
You got one cluster and half pound.
Smoked crab legs, one half pound of shrimp, juicy
Corn.
special, hot.
Like me love crab legs, so y'all can hold the shrimp. So I got 2 clusters of snow
You
crab
gonna be
legs.
wanting some shrimp.
And you can see it's like 2, but I don't want all that they be giving. Anyway, 2 clusters of snow crab legs, juicy special, medium spice.
And I got the same thing as Nadia, but I got extra corn and medium spice, cause I ain't about to burn my lips.
I like either.
I feel like their hot isn't even hot.
No, it is.
I'm
The medium be spicy.
Where my extra corn?
It's in there, girl. I'm going for mine.
You can vouch for it. You can use.
Hey y'all, it's day 2 of Houston. And me and Zania, we got up and we're about to work out. Did we want to? Absolutely not. Should I walk or do the Stairmaster? I don't know. Alright y'all, we tried, where did we go? Drunken Fish?
Drunken corner.
Drunken Corner. We tried to go to Drunken Corner, 2-hour wait. It's 1 something, we're hungry.
Hey y'all. I haven't. Hi, vlog. I'm Maya. She got here at 12. Here yesterday.
Yeah, I got delayed in Las Vegas.
Here you are, ma'am. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Anyway, we're at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, we got attitude. It's been too long.
Y'all.
Alright y'all, update. We're now in the Galleria and Forever 21. I'm tired.
Oh, period. It's recording now. How you back it up? Y'all, she ain't vlogging, so we taking over.
Yeah, so we gonna do this.
Wait, you gotta come into the light. Or not.
So we got this. Right now we're just eating. We're warming up seafood, getting our little
Period.
together.
Oh, man, you just need seafood.
Yeah,
How you
and then we
zoom
gonna take.
this out?
Well, we already are taking.
Ooh.
How many in are you?
3.
Ariana, I'm.
My name is Jay. Actually, this is federal. Take that out. Take that out.
Jessica.
Okay, I'm Jay. That's Ariana.
I'm Jessica.
And that's Naya.
Naya.
Period.
Yeah, that's too
Get it
close to
correct.
your name.
Exactly.
They gonna know something.
Ashley. Ashley.
Yes, Ashley. And Daddy's crazy. Hillary.
It's giving rich. Wait, how we do? Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm just here to do my job.
We did learn that yesterday. I forgot about that.
Oh, that's a bug. Ew.
If you can't sing all the words to Dreams and Nightmares, you have to take 7 to 8 to 9.
That's not what she said.
That is what
That's
I
not
said.
what she said, though.
What I say?
She said. That's not what she said.
Ooh, it's
The
bright.
exposure is too bright. So we gonna turn over here.
Okay, exposure influencer.
Right? My rule, what was my rule? Oh, if you say you're tired, you gotta take.
My rule was if you say your feet hurt, you have to.
Hey y'all, we are Urban Air.
Can we do that?
I'm tired as heck. Look at him. Look, you're
is she doing?
Not even gonna lose. Yes! Jump! 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 Just hold it. Just jump, and it's light. Just go. Go, go. 3, 2, Update, we're just finishing from, where was the space?
3 minutes.
What was the rate?
I have 3.
Damn.
4. No, it's 5.
I think it's a 4. I give it a 5. Very average. New York was better. Atlanta was better. Atlanta.
I just feel like Atlanta because the niggas are more generous. People actually dance. These niggas here, they just like looking. They just standing there, yeah. Talking about you're pretty, okay.
Right. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I know.
Where your section at?
Right. You over here where we at?
Well, it's giving no money. I guess we'll try again tomorrow and see what happens.
Yeah. Hope it's better.
What's up, vlog? We missed brunch again. Our car got towed. So some people are near in here. I know. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. So we parked here, right? Can y'all see that? We parked here. That's not our car. Anyway, it's got a live reserve spot, right? And we parked in the night, so who's gonna see that? Also, you gotta be a parent to be like, yeah, I parked in my spot when there's 3 other spots in a whole complex. So now I'm gonna pay $200. Yeah.
It was nearby, but we're going to camp later. We're going to get wings. I'm staring at George Washington, like I'm really thrown off. I'm trying not to look that way.
Told you, give slavery, but it'd be busting in here.
That's right. We get a spin while the sun. That'll work, that'll work.
I feel passionately about this. I know you have a flight in the morning, so I don't want you to get like white girl wasted, but I want you to take 1 or 2 more because we're trying to finish the bottle and we pay for it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Can you make eye contact with me?
I'm making eye contact with you through the phone. Look at the phone.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kiss me through the phone. Well, it's already recorded, so yeah.
What happened to Bow Wow?
Can you do that?
Oh my god, I'm being peer
That
pressured.
nigga over
Let's
there
document this for real.
I don't want. No, you're not peer
Just
pressured.
give me the.
it's
Just
recording?
shut up and give me the.
I got my first tattoo today, which was the 444, and then we got matching.
Wendy's for
Mine is on my hip, but can you show yours? We got matching hearts because we locked in, and then
No. Long story short, the nigga free-handed it up. I'm getting it covered up immediately. As soon as I touch down to fucking New York, covered up. And I'm gonna get that somewhere else.
I'm at a tattoo.
So I'm gonna be a
bracelet.
6 tattoo shorty.
I'm a
6 tattoo. I'm a 2 tattoo shot in one go.
0 tattoos, but I'm gonna get a bracelet though.
So yeah, we got.
I thought you were getting an earring.
Yeah.
No, because how am I gonna do that on an earring?
You said you were gonna get it on Etsy.
You said you were gonna get it on a necklace.
It's a bracelet now.
She's saying
The moral of the story is I'm gonna get it somewhere, just not on my.
I see what's going on in this. With